Hey, Dave Falcaro here, and we're talking about Uchi Tabi. The Uchi Tabi that we make, or the inside Tabi, have our logo on it for our roux. And if you're interested in your mold or your family symbol being put on the Tabi, we might be able to do that for you, depending on how many you'd like to order. The difference between our Tabi and maybe some other Tabi that you've seen, there used to be a company, I don't know if it still exists, I believe it went out of business, it was called Quan. And Quan made a Tabi that was pretty great. The difficulty was, the price was pretty expensive, and the other problem with it was that they would fall apart. So what we did was we took the design of we studied the design of the Quan Tabi, and then we created our own design for the purpose of building something greater and stronger. So what we were finding is that our feet were busting through the top of these Tabi, and when we designed ours, we tripled the seams and we doubled the material. So you can see here ours are much stronger. Another thing is that we would wear through the bottom of the shoe. Theirs is almost, it's not a felt material, but it's kind of, I don't know what you would call it, but it's just not as strong as the material that we used. We reinforced ours with a really thick leather, almost like what you would see on the outside of a boxing glove. That's the type of leather that's used for the bottom. We also created a different way of fastening ours, including extra seams, and our design has it's also triple stitched on the inside of this extra seam so that it can't pull apart. So what you're seeing is this material is folded over and sewn, and then this extra piece of material is sewn over top to reinforce it. On the inside, we inserted an extra pad for cushioning for your feet. So it's not like wearing a shoe, because you don't have like a rubber sole, but it's not like wearing a sock either. You feel like you are wearing a matte shoe. And those are our Uchi Tabi.